light, become look the very many colors also, not only green, it goes so this we call it Jadeite. Have you heard about it? Then come inside please. This way from the riverside or in the deep of the ground and different part of China. It's not from one part, it's from different part of China. And look this animal. And this is cut from one solid piece jade. It's cut from one solid. And look this animal. Do you know what's this animal?
Dragon.
Right. Have you been to the Forbidden City?
Yeah.
Actually, we got a lot of these animals in the Forbidden City. And this is in Chinese, we call it Pishu. You heard about that? Pishu. You know Pishu? Pishu, this is the son of the dragon. Son of the dragon, in Chinese, we call it Pishu. We also call it the money dragon or baby dragon. It's for money. And Pishu has been regarded as an auspicious creature which had the one power to keep the evil away and attract wealth from different directions and enhance the business life. Also, you can take a look. It had a big mouth and a big bottom, but no anus. What goes in doesn't come out. Only eat, never go to the toilet. And bring bells in, never like the flow of money dragon, Pishu. So we love Pishu, we love money dragon. We like to display a Pishu statue at home, even in the office. We still like to have a small one put in our pocket. When we are gambling, go to the casino. Yes, it's summon fortune, money dragon. So if you have a Pishu at home, touch the bottom of it. Bring money, fortune, and good luck. Money dragon is for business. And this is a male, and that one is female. It's for a pair, male and female. Look, the paw is different. The left paw at the front, that is male. The right paw at the front, that is female. Keep in your balance. Money dragon, Pishu. And then come inside, please. This way, so many colors. Yeah, one place to carve that. Yeah. And jade is many colors also, not only green. It goes so many colors. Oh, look, this one. This is jade also. But look the surface. You cannot realize that is jade, right? Just looks like a stone, a piece of rock. Looks like a big. Even the yellow, the best one. And this is we call it Jadeite. Have you heard about the Jadeite? Jageite, Jadeite. Yeah, Jadeite is the hardest jade. It's regarded as the king of the jade, and because it is very hard and beautiful colors, the most important thing is that Jadeite is a kind of a living jade that able to grow pretty and pretty. After years goes by, the value higher and higher. So we see that gold is priced, but Jadeite is priceless. We already did Jadeite to make the jewelries. You know, like bangle, bracelet, pendant, earring, and necklace. In China, many people like to wear the Jadeite jewelries. It is pretty and good for health. Like the ladies all like to wear a piece of bangle. You know, bangle is a Chinese traditional jewelries, and they like to wear the bangle on the left hand. It is close to the heart. It's good for the blood circulation. And the gentlemen and the children, they all like to wear a piece of pendant. It is close to the heart. It's good for health too. So if you wear the bangle or pendant, especially the Jadeite jewelry for a long time, and the Jadeite will absorb the body heat, high temperature, the color will change actually. The color will gonna change greener and greener when time goes by. After the color change, the prices goes up, it got a higher value. So we already did Jadeite to make the jewelries, and you this kind of a jade to make the carvings. If you did Jadeite to make the carvings, the price is more expensive. So Jadeite jewelry or carving is not only for wearing a home decoration, but also for investment and collection piece. Jadeite and the best one, Jadeite. Okay, and so much. Oh, look this one. This is the Pishu in small version. Pishu, money dragon. And from this raw material. And for this kind of jade, it's our national jade. Okay, and then you can follow inside, please. And ladies and gentlemen, this way come inside, please. You know, in this, each pieces, when you put under the light, become look the very good translucency, right? Very good translucency when you put under the light.